Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature 7 hot hair transformation ideas. First up, we see someone going from long to shorter hair. It looks like the stylist ended up giving her a beautiful Pixie haircut. This is the option, a great option for in between the pixie and the bob. Beautiful, long, layered bangs in the front. Gorgeous texture throughout. Next up, we have another semi-long to short hair transformation. So she went from shoulder length hair to this beautiful pixie cut. This one also features long bangs in the front. Gorgeous haircuts. And if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a like. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see another haircut transformation. So she decided to also get a pixie haircut. Beautiful fringe style bangs in the front. And then we move on to a color transformation for the next hairstyle. So it looks like she ended up getting a beautiful pink and purple color combination. The stylist also mixed in some hair extensions. Gorgeous. And then we do see another long to short hair transformation. So the stylist is also mixing in some color, and she decided to get a beautiful lob haircut. And then once again, we see someone going from long to short hair. So then we see someone with very long curly hair deciding to cut their hair. And the stylist mixed in some beautiful face framing layers, gorgeous curly haircuts. For even more hair inspiration, be sure to check out this video.